Hi there, hello again. It's your favorite David Oman coming to you from the Oman House. I'm about to share with you a video that was shot on Saturday night, March 2nd, 2024, about 8:05 p.m. I had 6 social media influencer friends over, and we were in the kitchen and dining room talking about my experience with Lindsay Lohan and her visit here. At the time when I mention, and watch this, the fact that I felt a little bit deflated when Lindsay came to the door and visited, the front door of the house opens on its own. This is the very first time this ever has happened here in 22 years of me living here. And by the way, please check out my website, House at the End of the Drive, for this feature film, House at the End of the Drive. It's going to be released online shortly, so you can go to houseattheendofthedrive.com and see my feature film. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel.
I'm all in for it. It's a nice house. You guys doesn't have a thing. You ever had anybody try to like steal something and then any stories or something like that?
Yeah, Lindsay Lohan. Lindsay Lohan was here 8, 9 years ago. I think it might have been 10 years ago. And
This is the night that she was confronted when she was accused of stealing the necklace in that boutique. And my friend calls me up at 5 o'clock and I'm watching the news and it was all over the headlines. Lindsay Lohan is under suspicion for stealing a necklace. And my friend said, David, it's Nathan. I want to go come over tonight with Lilo. It's like, Lilo? Well, I met her last night. It's like, Lilo and Stitch, the cartoon from Disney? He goes, no, Lindsay Lohan. I'm like, I'm watching television. She's close to the television stream. What are you talking about? Well, she's doing a biopic about Sharon Tate, and she knows about your house, and she wants to come here. And I'm like, oh, really? It's like, cool. I was all jacked up to meet Lindsay Lohan. 3 hours later, 8 o'clock, I open the front door, and my friend knocking on the door. I'm like, hi, and Lindsay's there. It's like, hi, nice to meet you. It's like the air had been removed from all 4 tires. And I was like, and she's like, well, I'm Lindsay Lohan.
Yo!
No
way!
That's
How did it open?
I shut the freaking door.
Shut the
You
door?
shut the door!
I don't, are you kidding me? I don't sit and leave the door unlocked on this street 55 years ago. 5 people. 6 were brutally slaughtered. Could you imagine? It's like, oh, let's check out the doors open. The doors unlocked? Okay, do you mind if I come on in here and do a little murder on your ass? Oh, what the hell is the door? Your door's locked.
Yeah, I look at everything. You close it, right?
That's nuts. That is N-U-T-Z, nuts, because the dog, again, I don't want to leave the door unlocked and open there. I want to fall down, go up the hill, and disappear for 80 hours.
No way! That's already open!
I shut the freaking door.
Shut the door.
Shut the door.
I thought I freaking locked it. I don't sit and leave the door unlocked on this street 55 years ago. 5 people.
Okay.
Were brutally slaughtered. I shut the freaking door. I thought I freaking locked it. I don't. I shut the freaking door. I thought I freaking locked it. I don't.